and welcome to this delicious cooking tutorial on how to make the easiest chicken nihari. Chicken nihari is made of mix of spices, tender meat and rich thick gravy that's perfect for soaking up with some warm naan bread. So let's get started. In a pan, take coriander seeds, fennel seeds, black cumin seeds, black cardamom, nutmeg, black pepper pods, green cardamom, cloves, mace, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Saute on low heat and dry roast for around 30 to 40 seconds. Grind it into a fine powder. Nihari masala is ready. You can keep it aside. Heat oil in a saucepan. Add the chicken pieces in it. Saute well till brown marks appears on the chicken pieces. Add ginger and garlic paste. Saute again till raw fragrance goes away. Add ginger powder in it, some turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, red chili powder. Saute and mix. Add nihari masala which we have prepared before. Mix and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low heat. Add water. Close the lid for 20 to 25 minutes on low heat. Open the lid. Remove the nihari oil from the top of the gravy and keep it aside. This nihari oil, we will use it later at the time of presentation. In a bowl, take atta flour, add water in it, mix and make a smooth slurry out of it. Gently and slowly add the paste in the chicken gravy for the amazing taste and thickness of the chicken nihari. Mix it well to avoid lumps. Cook for another 5 to 6 minutes and close the heat. Serve it in a bowl. Add the nihari oil on top of the chicken nihari like this. Garnish with chopped coriander, green chilies and julienne ginger. Enjoy this slow-cooked delight from the Indian cuisine. Tada! Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.